Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Commodity and Currency Podcast. Today, let's start with what's actually bothering and impacting currency and commodity markets. That is, the rising yields. US 10-year bond yields increased to near 16-year high of 4.5%. Reasons behind it are a combination of resilient economic data, hawkish Federal Reserve expression, and a budget deficit which needs to be financed by borrowing, keeping yield up more than 45 basis points in September to the top of 4.5% for the first time since 2007. Remember, rising yields are threats to gold, silver, metal markets, and rupee as well. And above all, it can disturb both economy and impact financial risk. So now let's focus on commodity. Gold prices witnessed limited upside as it came under pressure on surging yields and elevated dollar index. Overall, expectations remain for gold to find support around 1908 and 1905 levels in spot market. For MCX gold futures, technicals are pivot is seen near 58,741, and if it surpasses 58,877, it has potential to reach the level of 59,021. Conversely, if it falls below 58,522, we might see downside to the level of 58,381. Coming to Bates Metals updates, with renewed pressure on yuan amid surging yields, base metal may continue to trade with limited upside. Copper witnessing weaker fundamentals on rising visible inventories and strong China product output. Pivot level for copper are 709. If copper breaks above 712, it may move upside to the level of 717. If copper drops below 701, we might see downside of 697. Moving to energy updates, oil prices slides below $90 level on growing macro headwinds, particularly the China property wars and higher for longer interest rate in the US. Focus now remain on inventory data, particularly at key US cushioning storage, which has fallen consistently for some time. Technically, pivot level is seen near 7,478. If crude oil prices rises above 7,046, might move towards level of 7,610. If it drops below 7,392, we may see downside of 7,328. Coming to currency front, rupee is likely to open flat today as per NDF market indication, despite higher yields and dollar index strengthens. Overall, expect sideways action amid RBI intervention near 8330 levels. For today, major economic events are US consumer confidence, new home sales. Lastly, do not forget to track rising yields momentum for further notable action in commodity and currency as well. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.